Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how to make Mangalorean style bhindichi bhaji, or we call it bhindi mirya pito. This dish is very simple, mildly spiced with very few ingredients, but yet it is tasty and delicious. This bhindichi bhaji is one of my dad's excellent recipes for making bhindi sabji or bhaji. It is relatively easy to prepare and tastes great. Bhindi is commonly called bhindi, ladyfinger, or okra. Bhindi is a low calorie vegetable. It is a versatile vegetable. You can add it to gravy, stir fry, and sambars. This stir fry is best enjoyed with warm rice or rotis. So let's check out the ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. If you have tried this recipe, do leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's check out the ingredients. Here I have taken 300 grams of ladyfinger and cut it into 2-inch pieces. This is 2 onions sliced. This is tamarind pulp. Use as much as required. In a cooking pot, take oil as required. To the hot oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira. Wait till the zira crackles. Then add the sliced onion. Use sliced onions, don't chop it very fine. I still don't understand the difference between chopping and slicing. Wide tastes different when cooked. Add the bhindis and give it a nice good mix. In this, the bhindis are also cut into big pieces. At times I have tried to chop it fine and the sabji tastes very different. Add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a nice good mix. In this vegetable you don't add any water, it cooks in its own steam. And the tamarind pulp. Add salt as per taste. Mix it well so that the onions, masala and the bhindi is well mixed and coated with the oil and masala. Keep the flame on slow. Bhindi has slimy texture, so don't add any water. Add pepper as per taste, around 1 teaspoon. If you like it more spicy, you can increase the pepper powder. In this bhaji we don't use any chili powder or any other powders. So pepper is the one which will bring out the spiciness from the vegetable. So add accordingly. Give it a good mix, and once you are done mixing, you can add in the tamarind water. Your tamarind water, once you add it and cook the vegetable, the bhindis won't turn mushy and the sliminess of the vegetable will also disappear. Give it a nice good mix, cover it and let it cook till it is tender. Don't overcook it, otherwise the bhindi will get mushy and the sabji will not taste great. Cook it further for a few minutes. By now the water has dried out. You can check out for the pepper and salt at this point of time. If you feel you need to add more, you can do so. This vegetable is best served with rice. We do carry it for tiffins with rotis also. Do give it a try. I'm sure you too will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye, see you soon with a new interesting recipe. Take care.